What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Zach, and if it's your first time here, we talk about Bitcoin and altcoins here on the channel, so make sure you do subscribe for more content down below. We have to talk about Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is pushing for $70,000 before August. It's heading toward a strong monthly close. And in a month where Bitcoin started off very, very rocky, if you remember, when we go back to like the 4th of July, we had a big sell-off right around that time period, July 4th, July 5th. We bottomed out in the market, but since then, we have started to rise. Of course, we got an Ethereum ETF this month. We already have a Bitcoin ETF. I just came back from Bitcoin Nashville, and I have to tell you guys, I was super impressed. We're going to highlight some of the things from Bitcoin Nashville in this video that I think are helping the price of Bitcoin move up. We're also going to take a look at the BTC chart, give a Bitcoin price breakdown in this video. So everything you need to know about Bitcoin is right here in this video, jam-packed. This is where you come for your Bitcoin news. So again, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do that. After you hit the like button, I want you to comment something down below as we jump into the video. Give me your price prediction for the end of August. As we're pushing past 70K right now before August, we're very, very close. We'll highlight that here in a little bit. I want to know your price prediction for the end of August. Now, remember, JP Morgan and some other big institutions have said that they look at August as a very bullish month for Bitcoin. And there's a lot of reasons to be bullish right now, which we're going to go over in this video, guys. So let's dive in. Bitcoin taps 7-week peak close to 70K. Bitcoin's cash skyrocketing as well, up 14% on the daily. So we'll get into some of this here as Bitcoin aims at $70,000. Just recently, guys, we hit just very close, $69,851. We were $150 away from tapping 70K already today. As you guys can see here, Cynthia Lummis announced the bill for the U.S. Reserve, and that obviously has helped pump the price up from around 67 and some change all the way up to 69. There are some other factors too, which we'll highlight in the video, but now up 14% on the month. It's heading for a really strong monthly close. Now we'll get into all of that. There's a lot to get into here in the video. If you guys are interested in leverage trading though, real quick mention here from my main channel sponsor or affiliate here when it comes to leverage trading. This is Margex. They have over 500,000 registered users. You can actually copy trade some of the best in the leverage trading business. Always, always, always be careful with leverage trading, but there are a lot of people out there who are really good, and when the market starts to turn, you can really take advantage. Trade anytime, anywhere. Check out the links down below to Margex, guys. You're going to get a chance to win some USDT. They have frequent airdrops when you sign up using my link. And start trading today over on Margex using my link down below. So let's start here. Bitcoin Archive posted this morning. I'm going to drop myself down here in the bottom right. That'll be good for some of these Twitter posts that I want to go over, guys, because things are looking very, very strong, all right? And it says here, summer consolidation almost over. Bitcoin is pushing for a strong monthly close. Quick sip of coffee. Watching for ETF demand to be hot after Trump's weekend speech. Well, it's Monday. It's the start to a new week. It's the start to a new trading week for Bitcoin. And we are looking very, very solid to start this week. Now, this could be, I think, a very crucial week for Bitcoin. We could even see potentially all-time highs. Given all of the positive sentiment, the positive news that came out this past weekend, it would not shock me at all to see Bitcoin really make some noise here throughout this week. And we're definitely starting out here on the right foot. So that is good to see. Now, there are some other pieces of content I want to show you guys. This was Vivek Ramaswamy talking about Bitcoin and how it should be apolitical, neutral, and bipartisan Natalie Brunell led this conversation. I was here at Bitcoin Nashville. A lot of the hype went to Trump. A lot of the hype went to Cynthia Lummis and Michael Saylor. Of course, Michael Saylor's speech was fantastic, talking about just the bullish cases for Bitcoin. But Vivek really went into it from a policy standpoint, talking about how, because Trump and RFK were at the Bitcoin conference, it has kind of forced the hand of Kamala Harris and the Democrats to start really looking at Bitcoin in a different light. And here's the thing, guys, not to keep this really political, because I don't really care which side of the aisle you fall on. We want all parties, independent parties, anybody who's influential, we want talking about Bitcoin. And that is what Vivek Ramaswamy highlighted here in this, in this clip that you're, watching but not listening to. I just wanted to kind of go over that. But he basically said that there's no reason why Bitcoin should be a partisan issue. It is a strategic plan for the future when it comes to the future of money. Now, Benjamin Cowan, who put together an unbelievable after party that I had the chance to go to, it was unbelievable. Ben, shout out to you and your whole team and everybody there. It was a phenomenal night. He says, for once the rumors finally proved true, Trump announced a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So he alluded to this, and then Cynthia Lummis came out right after him during his speech, talking about the likelihood that this could get passed. Obviously, it would have to be signed into action, but this is huge, obviously, right? Putting Bitcoin as strategic reserve. Some things we saw last week, too, guys. Keep in mind, there's now 3 states that have put Bitcoin in their pension fund. Imagine what happens when all 50 states do this into their retirement programs. This is a huge, huge deal. It's happening right before our eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin, while it's pushing for $70,000, the price looks phenomenal, which we'll take a look at here. The macro looks even better. The adoption rate looks even better. The number of institutions that are climbing into the Bitcoin game, it's insane. And we are just beginning. Now, Quentin, who charts out some things, says entering the banana zone right now. He says where things can get very, very interesting. This big box, he believes, from this time frame all the way into mid-February could be a huge opportunity to make significant gains here on Bitcoin, potentially even 3xing from roughly that $60,000 price level that we saw obviously earlier in July. Many people calling for a push into 2025 that could see us, who knows, right? I mean, this is a very bullish projection here. But I have a feeling that when retail is met with all of this institutional demand, my gosh, things are going to get really parabolic here for the price of Bitcoin. Speaking of the price of Bitcoin, this is the daily on Bitcoin. Man, it looks bullish. Look at that V-shaped recovery since the beginning of July, guys. We wicked down all the way to 53,800, 54,000 here on the 8th. And then we had a huge momentum up candle that took us from about 60,000 all the way to 65 in one day. Massive, massive move to the upside. That day obviously flashed a momentum up on XT Algo. Since that time frame, the last 2 weeks, we've been up 7%. Could have taken advantage of this definitely here in a short-term trade, either on Margex with leverage or even in the spot neighborhood. I do have a spot platform too for you. That's Bybit. And we also have another new spot platform. It's Bitunex. So those links are down below for you, Bitunex and Bybit. If you're interested in checking those out, definitely take a look at those. So this is very, very exciting. I'm very much looking forward to watching this price action. If we go into the weekly, though, this is where it gets really interesting. This weekly close, things did not look good down here. I mean, we broke support back in early July, but look where we are right now. We're coming up to where we were back in June and March as we speak. Bitcoin is at 69,516. Now we have the Ethereum ETF that launched as well, really shaking some things up and making this look extremely bullish right now here as we start the week. Some of the top gainers here, we've got a couple meme coins. Book of Meme back in the top 100 and Brett up here as well. Bitcoin Cash has had a really dominant performance here last 24 hours as well. MOG, another meme coin, 3 meme coins here in the top 100, all in the top gainers. You got to love it. Ondo Finance, one of my sleepers, and Ethereum name service. Very volatile crypto, and Solana looking unbelievable right now at $191. So that's just some things to round things out as BlackRock bought another 11,000 plus Bitcoin too, guys. What's happening right now is nothing short of amazing, and it's a great time to be in crypto. And what I saw at the Bitcoin Nashville event with my own 2 eyes makes me extremely bullish for the future, both short-term and long-term. As Bitcoin's pushing for 70,000, I think we'll get up there and hit it today. Hopefully we close above it. And as we head into August, things are looking very, very good. Let me know your thoughts down below. Where do you think the Bitcoin price lands by the end of next month? Curious to hear your predictions down below in the comment section. Make sure you do subscribe for more content. Check out Margex, link down below if you're looking for that trading indicator that I've got. That's XT Algo. And if you're looking for spot trading, I've got you on BitUnex and Bybit. Links are down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.